In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new email account in GoDaddy cPanel and access your webmail. This is a quick and useful setup if you want a professional email address connected to your domain, such as a general inbox for your business or website. We'll go through the process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, log into your GoDaddy cPanel account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the email section and open email accounts. This is the area where you can manage all the email addresses connected to your hosting account and domain. After the email accounts page opens, click the Create button. This will start the process of adding a new email address. If your hosting account includes more than one domain, you'll be asked to choose which domain you want to use for this email account. Make sure you select the correct domain, because the email address you create will be tied to that one. Next, enter the username you want for the new mailbox. This is the part that appears before the @ symbol in the email address. For example, you might use something simple and professional like info, support, or contact depending on how you plan to use the account. Choose a name that is easy to remember and makes sense for your purpose. Then set a password for the account. Make sure it's strong and secure. A good password helps protect your email from unauthorized access, so avoid anything too simple or easy to guess. If cPanel offers a password generator, that can be a helpful option for creating something more secure. Once you've entered the domain, chosen the username, and set the password, click Create. cPanel will then generate the new email account for you. After that, the mailbox should appear in your list of email accounts confirming that the setup was successful. To access your new email inbox, open a browser and go to yourdomain.com/webmail, replacing yourdomain.com with your actual domain name. This will take you to the Webmail login page, where you can sign in using the full email address you just created and the password you set during setup. If you're not ready to connect the email to an app like Outlook or your phone yet, Webmail is the easiest way to start sending and receiving messages right away. That's it. Your new domain email account is now created and ready to use through GoDaddy, cPanel, and Webmail.